Let's break down the pronunciation of the word chimpanzee slowly. Chimpanzee, pronounced as chimpanzee. The chim sounds like chim in chimney. The pan sounds like pan in pancake. The Z sounds like Z in zebra. For the chim sound, produce a voiceless postalveolar affricate by combining the ch sound, which is a hissing sound, with the im sound. For the pan sound, produce a clear P sound followed by the an sound. Finish with the Z sound, which is a voiced alveolar fricative, by creating a buzzing sound between the tongue and the upper front teeth. Let's start with the chim sound. Combine the ch hissing sound with the im sound. Practice the chim sound. Now the pan sound, clear P followed by an. Practice the pan sound. Good, now the Z sound. Create a buzzing sound between the tongue and the upper front teeth. Chimpanzee. Practice the Z sound now. Let's put it all together. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is one of the closest living relatives to humans, known for its high intelligence and complex social behaviors. Chimpanzees are native to the forests of Central and West Africa.